Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha.
And I'm Umar. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
To today's English podcast. In this episode, we will talk about how to train your brain and mouth to speak English more naturally and more confidently.
That sounds interesting. Sometimes I understand English, but speaking feels slow.
That is very common. Many learners know words in their mind, but their mouth needs more practice to say them smoothly.
So the problem is not only the brain.
Exactly. Speaking English uses both the brain and the mouth. Your brain must think of the words, and your mouth must get used to producing them quickly.
Then how do we train both?
By practicing in a smart and simple way. First, listen to short English sentences. Then repeat them aloud. After that, try to use the same sentence with your own words.
So I should not only read, I should speak too?
Yes, speaking is the key. Let us begin with a simple sentence. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I want to speak more clearly. These short sentences help your brain remember the structure and help your mouth feel the sound.
That seems simple enough to start.
It is simple, and simple is powerful. Now, let us talk about shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately.
So I copy the speaker right away?
Exactly. You copy the speed, the rhythm, and the pronunciation. This trains your ears and mouth together.
That sounds like good practice.
It is one of the best practices. For example, listen to this. I usually drink tea in the morning.
I usually drink tea in the morning.
Excellent. Now repeat this one. I go to work after breakfast.
I go to work after breakfast.
Good. When you repeat often, your mouth becomes faster and your speech feels more natural.
Sometimes I know the sentence, but I hesitate before speaking.
That hesitation is normal. Your brain is searching for the words. The more you practice, the faster that search becomes.
So practice makes thinking faster too?
Yes, and that is a big part of speaking well. Now, let us practice a useful habit. Think in English for short moments during the day.
What does that mean exactly?
It means you describe your actions in English inside your mind or aloud. For example, I am making coffee. I am opening the door. I am sitting down.
That sounds helpful for daily life.
It is. This trains your brain to connect real actions with English words. That connection becomes stronger every day.
So English starts feeling more natural.
Exactly. Now, let us practice with another short sentence. I need more practice.
I need more practice.
I can improve step by step.
I am becoming more confident.
Good. These sentences are useful because they train both your language and your mindset.
Mindset is important too?
Very important. If you believe you can improve, you will keep practicing. If you think speaking is too hard, you may stop too early.
I see. So confidence helps learning?
Yes, confidence helps a lot. Now, let us practice making your mouth more active. Speak short sentences out loud every day. Do not wait for perfect grammar.
So I should speak even if I make mistakes?
Absolutely. Mistakes are part of training. When you speak, your mouth learns the sounds, and your brain learns the patterns.
That makes mistakes feel less scary.
Good. Let us practice a real-life situation. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
I am looking for the bus stop.
I am looking for the bus stop.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Excellent! These phrases are great because they are short, useful, and easy to remember.
I can imagine using them in daily life.
That is the goal. Now, let us work on pronunciation. Say each word slowly first, then say the whole sentence naturally. For example, I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Now say, I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
The mouth learns better when it hears and repeats simple sounds many times.
Should I repeat the same sentence many times?
Yes, repetition is very helpful. You can repeat one sentence 5 times, 10 times, or even more. The goal is to make it feel easy.
That sounds like a strong method.
It is. Another useful idea is to speak with your hand, eyes, and mouth together. When you point to an object and name it in English, your brain connects the word to the real thing.
For example, point to a chair and say chair?
Exactly. You can do that with many things. Door, table, phone, window. This helps beginners remember faster.
That seems very practical.
It is. And when you want to speak smoothly, use common sentence patterns. For example, I like, I want, I need, I can. These are strong building blocks.
So I can make many sentences with those patterns.
Yes. Let us practice. I like reading.
I like reading. I want to learn more English.
I need a little help.
I can speak better with practice.
Good. These patterns train your brain to build sentences quickly.
I feel like my mouth is getting faster already.
That is a great sign. Now, let us practice a short conversation. How was your day? It was busy, but good.
Did you study English?
Yes. I practiced speaking for 10 minutes. That is a natural and useful answer.
It feels real, not memorized.
That is what we want. Real English sounds natural when you use it often. Now, let us practice a helpful speaking tip. Speak to yourself in English for 1 minute each day.
1 minute sounds possible.
It is possible. Say what you see, what you feel, or what you plan to do. I am going to study now. I am feeling tired. I need to finish my task.
That is simple, but powerful.
Exactly. Training your mouth is like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
So I should not be silent all the time.
Right. Speak a little every day. Read aloud, repeat phrases, answer simple questions, and describe your day.
What if I do not know many words yet?
Start with the words you do know. Short English is enough. Clear English is more useful than complicated English you cannot say confidently.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Confidence grows from small success. Let us practice one more round. Repeat after me. My brain is learning English.
My brain is learning English.
My mouth is learning English.
My mouth is learning English.
I can improve every day.
I can improve every day.
Wonderful. These sentences remind you that progress is happening.
I like that message.
Great. The secret is simple. Listen, repeat, think, and speak. Do these 4 things often, and your English will improve step by step.
Thank you for this lesson.
Exactly. For example, what are you doing now?
I am studying English now.
What do you want to improve?
I want to improve my speaking.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy and motivated today.
These short answers help your brain think faster and help your mouth speak more smoothly.
Oh, I like that. It feels like real conversation practice.
It is real conversation practice. Now, let us practice with a daily routine question. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
Very good. What do you do after that?
After that, I go to school or work.
Excellent. That is simple, clear, and natural.
So I can describe my whole day using short sentences?
Yes, and that is a great way to train speaking. Another useful habit is to speak in front of a mirror
Why is that helpful?
because you can see your face, your mouth, and your expression. This makes you more aware of how you speak.
That sounds like a good practice tool.
It is. Say a sentence like, I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Good. Now say, I want to speak with confidence. I want to speak with confidence. Excellent. Your voice becomes stronger when you practice aloud.
Sometimes I feel shy speaking English.
That is okay. Shyness is normal. Start with one sentence, then two sentences, then a short conversation.
So I should build slowly?
Exactly. Slow progress is still progress. Now let us practice a useful speaking pattern. I can
learn English.
I can speak more clearly.
I can improve with practice.
Wonderful. That pattern helps your brain create many useful sentences.
I can see how that makes speaking easier.
Yes, it does. Now let us practice a few more short sentences. I know this word.
I know this word.
Please repeat it.
Please repeat it.
Good. These are important when you are learning and speaking with others.
They help me keep the conversation going.
Exactly. Now let us do one more small dialogue. Are you ready to practice?
Yes, I am ready to practice.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Will you keep speaking every day?
Will you keep speaking every day?
So train your brain with English thoughts and train your mouth with English words.
Little by little, you will speak more fluently.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.